Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can apply the AI effects on your photos in the Remini app. Some interesting AI effects. So let's get started. So in this video, we will be able to see turn into a mermaid. So let's click on this one. I want to apply this effect. So let's click on this, and after that, we have to choose the photo. For example, I want to choose this one here. So now we have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, we are generating your video. So we need to wait for a few seconds until it generates the video. So let's wait. So as you can see now the video is generated. So as you can see now the video is converted. Now simply if you want to take a look, we have to click on the take a look and you will be able to see the result here. So as you can see now it's done. So in this way, if you want to save this video, simply we have to click on the save to gallery and this will be saved into our gallery. So in this way you can convert any kind of video into a mermaid effect. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.